Welcome to the Sniffle patient app. Let's schedule a virtual care appointment. Once you've downloaded the app and get to the welcome screen, just click on Book a Virtual Visit and begin entering your information. Next, search for your healthcare provider. You can bookmark that person or even select them as your preferred provider. Next, select a clinic location and time. If you haven't already done so, you'll then be asked to create a Sniffle account, which will include your payment method. You can choose a free account or one that includes Sniffle benefits. You will then continue with booking your virtual visit. You'll either enter your insurance information or upload a photo of your insurance card and have the app automatically transcribe your card information. Indicate the reason for your visit. You can even initiate an AI-powered patient symptom assessment called Diagnosis, which will assess your condition with 95% accuracy. Finally, you'll confirm the details of your virtual visit. If you need to cancel, please do so with at least 24 hours notice. If you have Sniffle benefits, you will not pay any fees at this time. Now, all you have to do is look forward to meeting with your provider. Thanks for using Sniffle. We are committed to serving patients and their providers, and will never stop improving. Sniffle. Better care, bigger picture.